Hello friends, in this video we are going to see two-point velocity method. So two-point velocity method is a very common method actually for finding the average velocity. So you can see here the most common method or the method most commonly used for determining the mean velocity in a vertical section. So what is the meaning of mean velocity? Average velocity. Average velocity. The method most commonly used for determining mean velocity in a vertical section is a two-point velocity method. That is 0.2d and 0.8d, very important. So 20% of the depth of flow and 80% of the depth of flow, which requires that velocity should be obtained at 0.2 and 0.8 of the stream depth below the water surface. Below the water surface, very important line, which requires that velocity should be obtained at 20% and 80% of the stream depth below the water surface. Distribution of velocity in a vertical section is usually parabolic, correct? Such that the average of the velocity is measured at these 2 points gives the mean velocity in the vertical. So you know that velocity distribution in a vertical section is usually parabolic, and if you want to find out the average of the velocity, then you can go for this method, finding the velocities at 20% and 80% of the depth, and then you can take the average. So this is the formula we got here. V mean average velocity equal to velocity at 0.2 and 0.8 divided by 2. So whatever you are getting, that is your average velocity. So what is the main importance of this equation? So many times they will ask you to find out the discharge in the flow. So what is the discharge formula? Discharge Q equal to area into velocity. We know this, very common formula, area into velocity. But this velocity is always average velocity, average or mean velocity. Therefore you can write Q equal to area into V mean velocity. Okay, unit will be your meter cube per second discharge. Okay, now look at this diagram here. Stream water surface. Water surface is, that is free water surface. Atmospheric pressure will be acting on the surface, and on the y-axis you can see distance below the water surface in percentage of stream depth. Like you can see 0% depth, 10%, 20%, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So starting from here, it is 100% depth here. The stream bottom surface, you can see stream bottom surface here. So D is the entire depth, 100% depth of the water from the free surface. And this velocity distribution, you can see this is your parabolic. Velocity distribution is your parabolic, and we have found the velocity at 0.2d, 0.2 depth you can see here, that is 20%, and here is 80%. So if you take the, definitely the values will be different. If you take the velocity here, it will be, the magnitude is something like this. You come to this point, this is the magnitude for 20% depth, and this is the magnitude at 80% depth. So definitely these two magnitudes are not same. 80% depth, it is less. Even if you come closer to the wall, it will become almost equal to 0. So if you go away from the wall surface, you will be getting higher velocity. So 20% depth, your velocity is more. 80% depth, velocity is less. You have to find the average. That will be your mean velocity. Okay. Thank you.